तुझे पता मैं कौन? I'll show you all who's number one from Bangalore. तुझे पता मैं कौन? Bitch, where's my phone? Number one from Bangalore.
Pretty exciting day today. Finally receiving my new bike. Been waiting for it for around 3 months now. थोड़ा problem हुआ है. I wanted a medium and I'm getting a large. Hope it's fine. Things work out. I can still go hit a few trails. मेरी cycle आ चुकी है. Here comes our bike. It's pretty well packed. Right, let's start unboxing the bike. And yeah, the bike's out. This looks mad. Okay, so these are the pedals and the tools required, to install the handlebars and everything. Pretty good, pretty neat. Let's take out the wraps. Let's see how this beauty looks. Let's install this one, which is this. This is for the right. Okay, let's make it straight. Okay, let's pump up the tires. Yeah, looks pretty good, pretty neat. Let's take it for a spin. Let's see. Oh, let's go try out the new bike. Right off the back, the hub sounds amazing. The suspension has a good, feedback. Let's do the jump. Whoa, that was nice. Little urban trail, you may call it. Yes, and let's jump out of it. Oh, I got my tires dirty. Shit. Got my tires dirty too fast. This is the thrill, this is the fun. That jump. I got a larger size. I'm a medium though. Hope it won't be that big of an issue. The handlebars are feeling a bit wide, but that's alright, I can get used to that. And that's the beauty right there. After trying for 3 months to get the cycle, I finally have it here. And yeah, it's a pretty good experience so far. Except for a missing piece over here. But yeah, everything's good. I like it, I just need to tune up the fork according to me. Look at this beast, look at it. Magnificent. Okay, good morning everyone, rise and shine. I'm heading towards the trail, Avalahalli forest. Pretty excited. Doing my first trail ride today. गाड़ी में साइकिल भी पैक कर रखी है नीचे. साइकिल गाड़ी से निकाल ली है, अभी पहिया लगाना है. Hope my tire installation was good enough. Yes. And the trail ride begins. Trail fun. Oh, this is scary, dude. Looks easy on YouTube. Oh, so much gravel. That was fun. Oh, this is a huge drop. I don't know if I'm ready for this. Oh, this is too steep. Oh no. Oh my god, oh my god. Haha, that was nice. That was fun. Oh, shit. Almost fell.